Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is number system. In this class you will be understanding how to convert a binary number to a decimal number. In the previous class we have seen the conversion of decimal to binary. Before the start of the work convert binary to decimal, let us have a quick glance of binary number system. First point, digital computers works on binary numbers, that is 1 and 0. Second point, the binary number system has a radix of 2 or base 2. This means it has only two symbols 0 and 1. Third point, the abbreviation of binary digit is bit. Fourth point, a binary number consists of strings of zeros and ones. Example 11010 and so on. Fifth point, a string of 4 bits is known as nibble. A string of 4 bits is known as nibble. That is 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. Sixth point, a string of 8 bits is known as byte. So 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. A byte is the basic unit of data in computers. Okay, so these are some of the important information regarding binary number system. So 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble and 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So let us see how to do the conversion of binary to decimal. So here I have taken a binary number denoted, this x can either be 0 or 1. So let us say some binary number is given in this form. This is a dot here. On the left hand side we say this is the integer part and this is the fractional part. So on the right side of the dot we have to multiply each bit by 2 to the power minus 1. Next one 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the minus 4, 2 to the power minus 5, 2 to the minus 6, 2 to the power minus 7 and so on, depending upon the number of bits given here. So each bit is multiplied with this corresponding weights. Coming to the integer part, the immediate bit will be multiplied by 2 to the power 0 and the next bit will be multiplied by 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, 6 and so on. Okay. So each bit is multiplied with these weights to convert binary to decimal number. Let us do a problem. First question, convert 10101, this is a binary number because its base is 2. Okay. So how to multiply it? 101.01. So here this is to be multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2 and here multiplied by 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. Okay. So how you will write? Let us start this one. 1 into, or let us start from here, 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0, 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2, which is written as 1 into 4 plus 0 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 by 4. On simplifying, you will get the answer as 5.25. Okay. So, you have converted a binary number 101.01 to 5.25 in decimal. Okay. Let us do the another problem. Next problem is one zero 101.0101. This is a binary number. You have to convert it into decimal. So, here 2 to the power 0. Let us start the solution. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power of 4. This is 2 to the power of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay. So, now multiply this one 1 into 101.0101. Okay, start now. This one is multiplied by 2 to the power of 4, 1 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So, up to here you have multiplied. Now, from coming to this part, 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1. 1 into what you have to multiply? 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2, 0. 0 into 2 to the power of minus 3, 4. 4 is 2 to the power of minus 4. 1 into 2 to the power of minus 4, like this. Okay. So, now what it will come? 2 to the power 4 is how much? 16 plus 0 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 0 plus 1 by 16. Okay. After simplifying, you will get it as 21.375. Okay. So, what is the answer for this? One zero one 01.0101 binary number is converted to 21.375 in decimal. Okay. Let us quickly see another problem. Here there is no fractional part given, only it is given integer part 101112. Convert this number to decimal. So, what you will do? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 1 is multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Okay. 2 to the power 4 is how much? 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 20, 23. So, what is the answer here? 23. So, you can convert binary to decimal. Excuse me. Fourth question. 1101111. Convert this number to decimal. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power of 5. So start from here. 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So what it will come? This will come as 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So it will come as 55. Okay. So what you have done? You have converted 1101111 binary number to a decimal number as 55. Okay. So here we have seen few examples how to convert binary to decimal. So if there is no fractional part given, you can multiply directly with positive powers of 2. On the right hand side, that is for the fractional part, you have to multiply with negative powers of 2. Okay. So I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Remember this equation for this concept for converting binary to decimal. Radix point on the right side multiply by negative powers of 2, on the left hand side of the radix point multiply by positive powers of 2. It is 2 to the power of 0 here. Here it will be 2 to the power of minus 1. Okay. Thank you. Good luck, students.